Good morning to all. Today the concept is distribution and density functions. So here the important distribution and density functions are binomial function, Poisson function, uniform function, Gaussian function, exponential function, Rayleigh function. So here binomial and Poisson will be in discrete manner, that's why I have represented in red color, and uniform, Gaussian, exponential and Rayleigh are continuous form, and binomial, Poisson discrete form. So first one, binomial function. A binomial function can be thought of as simply the probability of a success or failure outcomes in an experiment or survive, that is repeated multiple times. Here what they are telling, a binomial function will be applied so wherever a success and failure outcomes are available in any experiment. So here the binomial is a type of distribution that has only two possible outcomes. That's why they'll be calling bi is nothing but two or twice. That's why it is called to be binomial. Consider an experiment having only two possible outcomes per trail, such as 1 or 0, yes or no, tail or head, etc. So wherever you will be having only two possible outcomes of an experiment, at that part this binomial function will be used. For example, a coin that has only two possible outcomes, that is head or tail. Second one, taking a test could have only two possible outcomes, that is pass or fail. And third one, if a new drug is introduced to cure a disease, it either cures the disease, means successful, or it does not cure the disease, it means a failure. Means for the third example, so at present situation in the scenario of COVID-19, so many scientists and many researchers in the field of medicine or medical, so they are going to be introducing the new drug within the 1 month or 2 months or 6 months or 1 year or 2 years. After coming it, whether it may be success or whether it may be failure. So at that position we can use this binomial distribution. And fourth one, if you purchase a lottery ticket, you are either going to win a money or you aren't. For example, so for this we can move further at present bettings. So in cricket, so now we are having we have got many websites like Dream Level. So in the Dream Level, if you are going to give the money, so you may get the more amount, you may not get the more amount. So at that position we can use this binomial function. So Bernoulli's trail, so independent trail which has only two outcomes, usually referred as the success or failure, are called Bernoulli trails. So Bernoulli trails which going to be explained where the outcomes will be only between success or failure. So binomial density function. Let us consider an experiment which has only two outcomes, where one outcome is known as success and another outcome is known as failure. So second point, let the experiment repeated by number of trails and let us consider a probability of success is P in each trail is same. So here what they are telling, they have taken one indication, that is a P. P represents a success of probability. So the trail of independent is the probability of failure in each trail. So before P represents as a success, now failure you are going to be represent. So Q equal to 1 minus P, where Q represents the probability of failure. The probability of K success in n trails is given by the probability of the function known as binomial density function. So this one I can be written as P x of x is equal to nck into p power of k into q power of n minus k. Here x is the random variable, thus denotes the number of success in n trails, then the random variable x is discrete because the experiment having only two outcomes. If the experiment is repeated for n trails, then the binomial probability density function of discrete random variable x is defined as, so for density function, so compulsory you will be getting the impulse, that is fx of x. So this one I can be represent density function, probability density function is equal to summation k equal to 0 to n nck into p power of k into q power of n minus k, so del of x minus k. So by applying the integration to equation 2, the binomial distribution function is found, that is capital fx of x is equal to summation k equal to 0 to n nck p power of k into q power of n minus k into u of x minus k. So this function defines the binomial density function, and this function represents the binomial distribution function. The binomial coefficient is defined as nck equal to n factorial by k factorial into n minus k factorial. So plots of binomial function. So this plot can be represented as the binomial density function, and this plot represented as an binomial distribution function. So distribution function will be in the form of step, and density function will be in the form of an impulse. So that's why in the formula you will be, for density function you will be having the, so for density function you will be having the impulse function, for distribution function you will be having the unit step function in the formula of 2 and 3. So that's why we have been represent a density function as like this, and distribution function as like this. So applications, the distribution can be applied to many games of chance, detection problems in radar and sonar, and many experiments having only two possible outcomes in any given trail. So the main application of binomial means where it will be used. So at present scenario, so we need the vaccine for the COVID-19. So after manufacturing the vaccine of the COVID-19, whether it may be success or it may be failure. So like that applications, this binomial distribution function will be used. Okay, thank you.